Hello. Welcome to YouCook World channel. Indian insider Ishan Agarwal, who regularly provides the public with reliable information about the innovations of the IT industry, revealed the date of the announcement of the hotly anticipated Samsung budget smartphone. Of course, we are talking about the model Samsung Galaxy M30. If you believe the insider, the novelty will be presented in India tomorrow, and its sales in this country will begin on March 5th of this year. Later, the geography of sales of the device will expand to other countries. Recall that now the older model in the newly launched line of budget Samsung smartphones is the Galaxy M20, the start of sales of which in Ukraine is expected by many with great impatience. Just yesterday, it became known that it would be possible to buy the Galaxy M20 from March 1st, but the number of smartphones offered at the promotional discount price of $199 will be limited. Information about advertising on Twitter and privacy. The Galaxy M30 model will be located one step above the Galaxy M20, offering even more attractive features. According to preliminary data, at a price of $210, the device will offer the SoC Exynos 7904, AMOLED display, for M20, PLS, with a diagonal of 6.38 inches with a resolution of 2220x1080 pixels, a triple main camera with 13, 5-megapixel resolution modules and a front resolution of 16 megapixels. Also, the Galaxy M30 will have a capacious 5000 mAh battery, supporting fast charging technology via USB-C connector, and a fingerprint scanner. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe and like.